Alright guys, let's take a look at VeChain on the channel. I don't think I've taken a look at VeChain yet on this channel. Maybe I have one time, but it had to be a long time ago. Now, let's take a look. You can see here that VeChain actually yesterday came up to this resistance here, weekly resistance at about 4.7 cents. If I put this on the daily time frame, you will see that a little bit better. And basically it got rejected. Today it is trying to make a small push towards that resistance again. Now remember, if it closes tonight over 4.8 cents, the next resistance we need to face is about 6.1 cents up here. After that, guys, the top of this Fibonacci is about 7 cents even. So yeah, guys, I mean, we got to get out of the reaccumulation zone here. But right now, VeChain is on its way up. It's been on its way up since 5th November. And, you know, I was taking a look at this on August 5th. Yeah, it did have a dip, guys, but it actually remained pretty strong on that dip. So I was a little bit surprised to see that. But I guess people are really, you know, wanting to collect some VeChain here. But yeah, this is that candle. So it wasn't that bad. Many cryptos, you know, ended up way down and coming back up very slowly. But VeChain just pretty much remained the same. Anyways, let's take a look here. Now, if I look at tokenomics, there's nothing about VET here, so I don't know anything about the inflation or anything like that. CoinGecko, though, there is a max supply of 86 billion. Now, that is one thing I do not like about VeChain. Unfortunately, there is a high supply, but when you do have big communities behind, you know, coins like Cardano or XRP or Tron, VeChain is kind of similar, guys. I do believe there is quite a community behind VeChain, and most of these coins are already circulating, so that's actually a good thing to see. It can't be really diluted that much, guys. So really good. You know, I do think there's a community behind it, so I don't think there's anything really to worry. So Bitcoin basically at $98,000 even. It actually is probably working on another little flag here. But the flag from this, which was on the 4-hour time frame that I drew, the target is up here at about $100,700, and it's making its way up there. Now it is a weekend, so Bitcoin is going to be a little bit slow on the weekends, and yeah, I mean, let's see what happens by tomorrow. You know, when the markets open back up tonight. Now the longer term time frame, which isn't very long, is up here at about 105,000, and that is from the consolidation that we had for months back here that you can see, guys. Basically, this started in February when we broke up, and we left this flag in middle October, guys. So that target, like I said, up here at $105,000. That's the quote-unquote long-term target. But yeah, like I said, this, you know, bull flag, which is on the 4-hour time frame, did break to the upside and has stalled a little bit over the weekend. But yeah, sitting at $98,000, guys, I think that's not bad. We're not far from hitting $100,000. We came very close on Friday. I do believe this week sometime we will hit that. Now, taking a quick look at the total crypto market cap, guys, we're at 3.31 trillion right now. We've actually made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight candles above the 3 trillion mark. So yeah, we're working on a 6th day and 7 in a row, basically, since we've seen a last red candle. So that's good news, guys. Like I said in previous videos, 8 to 12 trillion, I think, is the mark here for the crypto market cap this cycle. Now, taking a look at the dominance, guys, you can see that it is, and it has actually retested this trend line here, which we actually started back in July. And yeah, guys, you can see it retested this trend line, and so far it's gotten a rejection there, which is good to see. Great news, because, you know, when dominance goes down, then, you know, the altcoins are going to rise, guys. So we've seen now 3 straight days. We're working on a 4th day in a row. And if this candle closes like this, that probably signals more downside. Now, taking a look at just the crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, guys, I just want to point out that, you know, our all-time high last cycle was right around here at about 1.27 trillion. So basically, we're in blue sky territory when it comes to people that are getting into altcoins other than Bitcoin. So yeah, that's really nice to see. It means retail is getting in once again, but it looks like it's just getting in a little bit slow. So I still haven't seen the euphoria around me personally with new retail getting in. But anyways, still good to see, guys. Well, taking a look here at altcoin season index, guys, we are so close to that 50 mark, which I spoke about. We're basically at a triple top here just since July, guys. So let's see if we can get over this 46, 47 mark where we've been a couple of times before, just in the last 5-6 months. And I think once we hit 50, I think we're going to see a massive jump up in altcoin season here. I think we're going to get up to 75 very quickly, guys. But yeah, right now, this is the highest point we've been since September, end of September. So it's nice to see, guys. Altcoins are starting to pop off. If we take a quick look at the fear and greed, guys, it's an 80 today. That is nice to see that it has cooled down. Yesterday it was 94. Now, if you take a look at the max here, we are still at extreme highs. And you can see this is over the lifetime of the fear and greed index here since February 2018. So you can see this is still quite high. So yeah, I mean, these are levels that, okay, we saw back in March a little bit, but basically before that, it was basically when I got in January, February of 2021. So taking a look here at the FedWatch tools, guys, it's still a little bit early to kind of predict this, but there's only a 5% difference between getting a cut and not getting a cut for December. We just have to wait. I think personally we will get a cut. And I think that it's going to be a Christmas bonus to the markets. That's basically what probably Fed Chair Powell wants. But we'll see, guys. Now, taking a look at crypto bubbles, you do have a lot of projects in the green. Mana, Sand, XLM. XLM is still pumping, guys. Nice to see IMX coming back a little bit. I think they got a Wells notice from SEC not too long ago. Ton is finally starting to pump, guys. Everything is just pumping across the board. Anything that's down has probably pumped in the last couple of days. So, I know like VeChain, for example, they were up like 30-40% yesterday or so. So yeah, naturally it's going to have a small pullback at least. And but yeah, everything is taking off, guys. I mean, like I said, we're almost at altcoin season. All right, now if you're looking for a place to stake your coins, guys, go to Coinondo and click on Earn here, and I'll just show you how this works real quick. So you can type in, for example, BTC. It'll pull it up, and it'll give you all the places where you can stake your coins. That is totally up to you guys where you want to stake it. I would advise you not to stake it for long terms at this point in time, just in case you want to, sell your coins. The price could come that you want, and you will have your coins locked up. Personally, I am doing a maximum of 30 days because, that's just, it's too long, 90 days or 120 days, for example, to know where the market's going to be. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.